Hello, thank you for calling us regarding Lot 6 on Old Birch Creek Road. This is a 1.15 acre lot that has over 200 feet on Birch Creek. The property does require septic and well to be installed, but there is a 3-bedroom preliminary subdivision septic approval on file, although you would need to go through Sevier County Health Department to get an official septic permit, as well as any and all building permits through Sevier County. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thank you.
This property is represented by
Nanette Brewer and Claudia Dibas with Crye-Leike Realtors.